Welcome back to our channel for another installation day. So what we have in the shop today is right over there, a very beautiful striking color Porsche 718, but the car is already converted to a GT4 full body kit, and the exhaust system that came along with this body kit conversion is absolutely terrible. It's a disaster, and that's why the owner has come to us. He wants something better looking, something louder, something that is higher quality for his Cayman with the GT4 body kit, and that's why we are going to fit on this IPE catback system for the 718, but this is a GT4 conversion system that is specially made by IPE for all the GT4, GT4 RS conversions Cayman out there. So now the mechanic is currently working on the car to remove the factory exhaust, or the so-called the modified exhaust system that comes along with the body kit, and later we'll put it side by side to compare with the IPE system that we are going to install, and talk a little bit further about the differences between IPE system and the factory system. And also we will talk a little bit about the car later, what are the modes that has been done on the car. Obviously the car, you can see, is already finished off with a full GT4 body kit, and we will talk about the details later. Alright, so we have removed the factory exhaust out from the Cayman and put it side by side to compare with the IPE system that we are going to install later. Now first, we'll talk a little bit about this factory exhaust system with a little bit of modifications that the previous shop, probably the body kit shop, that they already did in order to fit with the GT4 bumper. So first of all, if you notice this section, these are the modified parts that they installed on the factory muffler. So the muffler is actually the original Porsche Sport exhaust that comes with the car. So as you may know, the standard 718 Cayman or Boxster, they have a center exit exhaust tailpipes, whereby there's actually two tailpipes on the middle. But when you have a GT4 body kit, the tailpipes actually comes out from the sides, and that's why the shop, they have this conversion exhaust system for the GT4 bumper. So basically they replace this section and put on with this. I'm not quite sure where did they get this, the conversion GT4 style tailpipes for the car. And now we'll talk about the IPE system. So as you can see, our IPE system for the GT4 conversion is a totally brand new design, a fully redesigned muffler system for all the standard 718 with the GT4 conversion. First of all, the rear muffler section. This is the IPE's Valvetronic rear muffler, completely new design specifically for the 718 with GT4 bumper. Of course, we have the valves right over here. Then also IPE applied the high temperature heat protection on the muffler box. As for the tailpipes, you can see this is the obvious difference between what a quality product versus a not so high grade product. This IPE system definitely has a proper design in order to fit with the GT4 conversion. All the pipes, these are carefully designed to fit with the rear bumper. And also, it definitely looks way better compared to this. I mean, it might be some OEM GT4 style tailpipes for the factory exhaust. So the IPE system, definitely it will sound a lot louder compared to the factory exhaust, because on the factory exhaust system, there is only one valve on the right hand side. So when the valves are open, it actually flows through here and goes into the muffler box before it exits from the tailpipes. But for our IPE conversion system, we have two exhaust valves on both left and right side. So when the valves are closed, of course the exhaust gas flow will flow through these smaller diameter pipes and goes into the muffler box before it exits from here through the tailpipes. But when the valves are fully open on both sides, the exhaust gas flow, it has a very direct, straightforward flow whereby it flows directly through these larger diameter pipings at the bottom and exits through the tailpipe, so that it gives the car a very sporty and definitely way louder exhaust sound compared to the factory exhaust system. So after we removed the factory exhaust, I found something quite interesting and also funny at the same time, which is this, the GT4 style tailpipes that comes along with the conversion kit. So as you can see, the design, it definitely looks very weird, especially when you have these tailpipes installed on the car. You look it from the rear, basically it doesn't look real at all because of the design. And how does this works is that when the exhaust flows through here and exits, it goes through the pipes, and they actually made a small little hole right over there in order to let the exhaust gas flow flows out. But just look at this. This is something that is not properly designed. It actually looks quite terrible. And it's also because of this, the owner wants something more proper, wants something that looks better for his car. And so he come to us for IPE exhaust upgrade. And right over here, this is our IPE exhaust tips for the 718 GT4 conversion. Definitely this looks way better compared to what comes along with the kit. From the design wise, definitely these IPE tips are a lot larger, and also these are the special design tips for the GT4. It also fits on the conversion kit, whereby there's a little bit of specially designed curves right over here on the outer layer of the tips. And if you notice, the IPE Ferrari F8 or the SVJ, they shares a similar design exhaust tips as this. So this is definitely a lot nicer compared to the one that came along with the kit. And when we have this installed, the IPE tips installed on the car, definitely it looks more realistic for the conversion bumper, and also it will definitely looks way better compared to how it was with this conversion exhaust that comes along with the kit. So yeah, now let's get back to work to install the IPE system onto the Cayman. Now we will talk a little bit about our client's 718 Cayman. So first of all, on the exterior wise, the car has already done a full conversion to a GT4 body kit, which includes the rear bumper, the front bumper, the side intakes. As for the rear wing, the owner actually went with this GT4 RS swan neck design rear wing, finished off in carbon fiber. And also he has already wrapped the car in this very striking pearl pink color, which actually looks quite interesting to see this color on a Cayman. Looks quite beautiful. Well, on the front, because it has the GT4 body kit, so this is a whole new design bumper with the GT4 wording on the center. Basically, it's a one-to-one copy GT4 conversion kit. So if you are driving a 718 Cayman or Boxster and you are interested to convert your car into a GT4 or maybe the GT4 RS body kit, do contact us. We have different packages for your needs. From here, you can see that the car's original color is actually Guts red color underneath the pink color wrap. As for the interior, it is actually in this light grey color, included the seats, and also this car does have the PSE. So on the center console area, right over here, you actually have the exhaust button to operate the exhaust valves. So basically, these are all the modifications that the owner has did on his Cayman, and now the car has been fitted with our IPE catback exhaust system specially made for GT4 conversion kit. And now we'll start up the car to listen how the car sounds now with the IPE catback system. And this is how the Cayman sounds with our IPE catback system for the GT4 conversion kit. Let us know in the comment section below, what do you think about this IPE catback system for the Cayman. If you like our content, remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.